Hi there, I'm here to try out this Made Good Chocolate Drizzle Granola Bar. I'll look and see if I can find this product online. If I can, I will try and put a link below. And let's see the info on it. 110 calories per serving. One bar is one serving. So not too bad. And I like that it has a chocolate drizzle because I'm all about the chocolate drizzle. This also says that, yeah, there's no egg, there's no dairy. Tree nuts, there's no tree nuts. Alright, let's take a look. Here's the front of it. Right there. And then the back. You can smell the chocolate. It's soft. I automatically can taste the oats. It's in chocolate. And like a puffed rice. Yeah. And there's a hint of a almost like a fruitiness. Yeah. I would give this a 5 out of 5. This is really good. Let me know if you've ever tried this before. If you haven't, get you some. Well, very tasty. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.